Hello everybody, this is the Quiet Showdown here, and I just wanted to show off my model. This is a Klingon bird of prey, and yes, I messed it up. For people who do know what they look like, sorry. Just be sure when you assemble these, just follow the directions. I must have missed the part when I was putting it together. I didn't realize it till I got just about done with it, and then I said, oh shit. But it was fun. Took me about damn near half a day to do it. All metal. Pretty neat. The fins right here took the longest to do. They still are wobbly. Trying to make them tight as possible. And I just glued a magnet at the bottom. I like it. It's pretty cool for my first one. Gotta be really careful because you can bend the shit out of these like no problem. Then you mess them up. It was pretty fun to do. Kept me busy. The model is from Metal Earth, if I remember correctly, or it could be Earth Metal. But it just comes in 2 sheets of metal, and you just pop out the little inserts, and you get a little instruction how to put it together. You just gotta be sure you follow the instructions. Otherwise you get what I got. That's my model. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.